In today's video, I have a popular Ghanaian cuisine prepared, and if you are interested in how it is made, kindly follow me and let's rock and roll. That's my onion and pepper, tomatoes, onion, salted tilapia, my beans which I cooked with a pinch of salt to give it taste. So at this point I use manpower to grind my pepper and onion. That's my beans, palm oil, yes, and that's onion, tomatoes, and that's salted tilapia over there. Yeah, so and this is my mackerel, the result of my grinded pepper, manpower. I didn't blend. So let's begin. Let's begin. That's my palm oil. So I added some palm oil to the saucepan, which I will allow it to heat for some time before I add my onions. Yeah, manpower. I'm showing you manpower. After adding my onion, I allowed it to cook for some time, and that's my salted tilapia over there, which gives the oil flavor and aroma as well. Yes, so that's how it is made. I hope you are enjoying. Yeah. So after cooking for a while, I decided to add my pepper. Yes, grounded pepper, and it's seedless. I repeat, seedless, because I was trying to be primitive here and traditional. That's our traditional Ethenwa, and I'm representing the motherland, Ghana. I'm a daughter of the land, so we have a way of making everything look appetizing. Yes, even pepper. So at this point, I'm going to add a little amount of water to cook my pepper. So I'm going to rinse my ethanol and add it to the main sauce. So that's what you're seeing, and I'll leave it to cook for some time. So our pepper is ready. Let's add our tomatoes. Yes, that's the tomatoes in there, and this one is also going to cook for some few minutes before we add our mackerel. Just stir it, and I'll let that's my mackerel in there. So at this point the sauce is ready, and I'm going to add the beans that I cooked. Yes, so when you are cooking the beans, don't cook it with just water. Add a bit of salt to give it taste. Yes, so at this point, after adding my beans, because I already cooked the beans with salt, I didn't add another salt to the stew. So the stew is very nice, not salty, and it was needless to add salt again. So that's my bean stew over there. Name one particular thing you can eat with the stew. I decided to go with ripe plantain, which I'm going to fry. So after cutting them into this size, sprinkle some salt water over it, and make sure the salt go over every bit of the plantain before you fry, so it will be tasty. Yes, so at this point we are going to fry our plantain. So in Ghana, when we add gari to the beans, it's popularly known as kobe, gari and beans, kobe. And I tell you, the number of people who love kobe will blow your mind. It will blow your mind. So we are frying our plantain, and guess what? Get ready, because we are about to dish out and have fun. Join me and let's eat this palatable dish. My mouth is watering at this point, and I can't wait to start eating. Can't wait. So if you're watching me to this point, please subscribe or follow me. I'm Smart Haven on TikTok and Smart Haven on YouTube. Follow me for more of such videos, and I do travel videos as well, so you can follow me if you're interested. Yeah, so that's our food and it's about to go down.